Hello class and welcome to your lesson on Softchalk. So this is just an intro video on how to navigate through the course on Softchalk. Here's your landing page. When you click on the link that is provided in Blackboard, this is the first thing that you will see. On this front page you will see our welcome video, the name of our lesson at the top right hand corner. You will see the score at the top right hand corner as well. So as you navigate through the lesson and you get your points, you will see how much you are scoring at the top right hand corner. On the left side, on the panel, you will see the table of contents. This is where you can navigate in between different pages and making sure that you have everything you need. At the top of the page, of the navigation page, you will see 1 of 12 and an arrow. You can also use this as well to navigate through the pages. At the very bottom of our page under course information, of course we're on the landing page, you will also see the word next. Here you will be able to navigate through the pages as well. So there are 3 different ways to go through each page, and we're going to use those pages as we navigate through this course right now. So again, you'll see your welcome video here and a little course information and letter from me. And then on your very first page we have our welcome activity, which is our Padlet. You will have the link here and your information that you need here. On each of these pages with the Padlets, and of course through our instruction video, you will have a submission page at the bottom where it will ask you to type in a word just so we can keep track of our points and what we are completing throughout this lesson. So on this particular part of the lesson, you are to type the word Padlet when completed. And this, you will check your answer here and you will obtain your points, and it will show you at the top right hand corner how many points you receive. So let's go to the next page. Here you have our lesson objective for numerical expressions. This is our lesson introduction on the next page that will tell you exactly what we will be doing in this lesson. We have our numerical expressions Padlet. This is where your link is. These are your information, information, your instructions, directions that you will need. At the bottom of the page is your submission page. This is valued at 5 points as well, so type in that word, click check answer, it will give you your points. It will accumulate at the top right hand corner. And then moving on to our instructional video. This is where you will have your first instructional video to give you a little background about what our lesson is about and give you the instruction for that. Then we have our play, pause it, practice, which is our bulb that we made for this particular lesson. So navigate through this lesson, answer the questions that are there, because you will get a score for that as well. When you are done with that, you are done completing your bulb, go down to the submission portion at the bottom, type in the words numerical expressions to get your points. Your exit ticket Padlet. After you are done with all of the instruction piece, please make sure you do your exit Padlet. This is where you will get your points for all of this information here. 3 things I learned today, 2 things I want to learn more about, 1 question I still might have about today's lesson. Feel free to add any images, links, and comment on other posts. At the bottom of the page is where you will submit the word Padlet. Make sure that you do that to obtain your points for this as well. Here you have your ThingLink tutorials. So this is where we start to branch off into what we are going to do for this particular lesson on your own. So here is a tutorial presentation. This is part of Google Slides, so as soon as you click on that link, it will take you directly to that presentation and give you step-by-step tutorial on how to do that. If you're like me and you like to watch videos, here is a video for you as well. And then I also attached the example that we used in the video at this link here. So if you wanted to click that and check that out, that is awesome as well. Our rubric and submissions. So here's all the instructions on what you need to do for this particular lesson and what is expected of you. Here are your expectations and what you will need to do. And then when you are done with that, paste your URL right here for your ThingLink along with your name and date attached, and then submit it. Below that, you will see your rubric and you will see your due date. Again, this is out of 30 points. You have extra practice here with a voice thread. And then, of course, our course references. It will automatically download the references here that we used for this particular lesson. We have Softchalk support here, so sorry. And then we have my email address here. If you guys have any questions, referring to the lesson or Softchalk itself. And I will be sure to answer those questions. So if there's anything else you need, let me know. Again, this video will be under this particular portion of the lesson, which is our course references, just to help you navigate through the course as well. So let me know if you have any questions. Talk to you guys soon.